Today I'm going to be playing dun, 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 Murder, but not Murder Mystery. Let's get into it. Alright guys, today I'm playing Murder. I think that's what it's called. I literally already forgot. Oh, and I joined at the perfect time. We're already in the lobby. I didn't vote for anything. Probably just a great present classic. Oh, okay. Ooh, I'm going this way. Cloner. Y'all, which one should I pick? I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? Y'all. Can y'all hear? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, there we go. Oh my lord. It's right there. Oh god, oh god. Oh my god. Oh, I have to wait like 30 or 40 seconds for it to be done. Ooh, this is really scary. Actually, it's really not, but whatever. Oh, it's right there. Oh my god, run. Run for your life. Oh my god, why is it following me? This dude.
Hello.
Oh hey! I'm just gonna hang out with
Let's
this
be
girl.
friends.
Oh, there's like 7 people over here. That's not good.
Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend?
Run!
Hello. Hello.
It's right there! Can y'all see it? It's right there. My editing skills will circulate, guys. Oh no. I can't get out. Don't touch me! Stop!
Let's be friends.
Oh, so you want to play like that, little bro. Survivors win. It's rainbow. Skin packs. Ooh, thank you. This sounds really interesting. Whatever. I'm winning. Let's go. I'm stuck. Make it in! That was easy. Lighthouse. Let's go. It's like at 7. All the other ones were at like 4 and 3. This is not easy. How do people think that's easy? Okay, whatever. I wonder where it spawns. Oh, this is a very small map. I thought this was gonna be huge. Where does it spawn?
Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Be my friend. Let's be friends.
Oh my god.
Will you be my friend? Hello.
one's gonna find me. I have the best spot. No one's gonna find me.
Hello. Let's be friends.
Hi. I'm really scared.
Will you be my friend?
There's like 3 people up here. Is it gonna go down?
Hello.
Guys, help me. Is it gonna go down? Help me!
Hello, my friend. Will you be my
God.
friend?
Guys, do we take a run for it?
Let's be friends. Let's be friends.
Okay,
Hello. Hello. Let's be friends.
get me on this house.
Will you be my friend?
Remember Rosie, pocket full of posies. Oh my god.
Let's be friends.
Oh.
Hello. Will you be my friend?
Pushing finish right now.
Will you be my friend?
Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Run!
Hello.
I hate this game. No, this is literally that one creator. I don't want to say the name so I don't get like copyrighted or whatever. I don't know if that's how you get copyrighted. Like, just like it's way easier. The mall, I like the mall. But anyway, it's like 100 times easier just to like but anyway, it's like way easier just to just stay shift left. Okay, jump scare. Now we just have to wait. This is very, like, it's taking forever, guys. Oh wow, that's a lot of dirt. Okay. Okay, he won, yeah. Tip for Dur Soccer, just go with your back, don't go with your front. Haha! Okay. Area, I like garage. Pro server. Whatever. I can tell that I'm not a pro for a fact. Oh my god, again. I really hope it's not that one thing where we're like all theirs besides like one person, because that one, like, not even joking, that thing went, that round was in under a minute. Like, under 5 seconds. Get over here. Wait, I think that's... Yep, okay, I'm actually stupid. That's...
Will you be my friend?
Go over here. You have so big back.
Hello.
Whatever. Okay. Don't win.
Let's be friends.
Get over here, little bro. It's not cool.
Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend?
Let's go. Okay. That's not a clown. Yep, I see. Head over here. Hello, guys.
Let's be friends. Will you be my friend?
Bro, no, I give up. You're annoying. Where is the letters? It's the
Hello.
stairs.
Let's be friends. Let's be friends. Will you be my friend?
Bro is like running
Let's be
away.
friends.
Whatever, y'all. You can't. Okay. I didn't win, but like, whatever. Okay, guys. I think this should be the end of the video. Goodbye, guys.